Hello and welcome to Brahma Appliances. I'm navigating through you to Brahma Appliances website. Affordable and efficient repairs: oven, washing machine, dishwasher, fridge and dryers. If you can navigating through the website, you will see the more details, like you will see the about Brahma Appliances. Click on this tab. You can read through the details. If I'll go to the appliances services, Brahma Appliances offer all kinds of services like washing machine repairs, tumbler dryer repairs, fridge repairs, freezer repairs, oven repairs, hobs repairs, built-in appliances repairs, dishwasher repairs. You will get all services under one roof. You can check out our customer testimonial section. We have got some very good reviews from our past clients. You can also check out the brands we served. More or less, we served almost all the brands manufacturing these equipments. And right to mention here, we offer some senior discount also. We offer same day services and 100% satisfaction guarantee to our customers. If you're already using any of these appliances, you can check out our hint and tips sections, where you'll get some idea how you can manage your equipment at your end by reading these tips given here. If you have any requirement like oven repairing, washing machine repairing, dishwasher, fridge dryer repairs, do contact us by clicking our contact us tab. You will get all the details, and you can book our executive to get your appliances fixed by filling out your detail here. You can call us on these numbers given at the top of the website and also given here. Thanks for watching the video. Looking forward to serve you.